Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you recover deleted Google Photos? And let's get started by open Google Photos application and move to collections. So right here we have trash. If you enter, so when you delete a photo or video, Google Photos automatically move it to the trash. And after 30 days, or if your file backup, after 60 days, it will automatically removed from this account. So you cannot recover this photo if you delete it from the trash. But if you have your photo in the trash, you can easily recover them. So you need to select some of them. You can click at the three dots, select, you can restore all photos or delete all photos, or you can just click select here or press and hold at some photo and then select some photos and click restore button, you will restore them. Also, we have a locked folder in Google Photos, so let me enter here, and here it is. So if you remove something from locked folder, you remove this file permanently, so you cannot restore it and this file not move to the trash. We can check it actually. So right here I have this photo, delete. As you can see, it asks me to delete permanently, and I can delete or cancel it. And if I return to the trash, right here we haven't this photo. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.